Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today, just thought I'd give you an update of what we're doing. Got the car started to run her in, had a slight issue with the existing radiator, had the existing Mishimoto Radiator welded up where the rod had obviously hit it on the back. Unfortunately it's not held up, but you know, we'll live and we'll learn. Next time we know, you know, we'll just buy a new radiator. So big shout out to Matt at XO Racing. He sourced me a brand new Mishimoto Radiator, so we're going to take the old one out and put the new one in. That's basically what we're going to be doing today. But how's everybody doing anyway? Obviously with all this fucking coronavirus shit going about, are you all staying safe, all healthy, all locked away? Yeah, kind of pissed me off a little bit because we've got this all ready to go on the road and run in. I've only done 10 miles in it, but I mean, it's absolutely flawless, no pun intended. But yeah, so I hope you're all staying safe anyway, and because we're in isolation, we're going to get this in, just warm her up, make sure we've bled her up, and just going to have to sit here until we're allowed out again. So just before I get to it, this is the new radiator, and hopefully this will help people that, you know, haven't done it before, all the new subscribers that are maybe thinking of upgrading the radiator. So again, for people that haven't done this before, there's a couple of tabs on here which I've already taken off. They're actually sat there, so all you do, just get a screwdriver under that, pop her up, and off you go. Then there's some little 8mm bolts here in a wheel well, so there's one either side, and then there's some of them tabs all the way around underneath, so I won't be able to show you that, but that's what you need to do. And then basically you need to like rag or tug at the bumpers like here, because it's clipped in underneath here, so just pull it out, and I think there's a clip there as well at the side. Just pull it, and then that'll be your front bumper off. So for all the people that are probably OEM, there'll be like a crash bar across here, and you've got a couple of bolts. I think there's one at the top and one at the bottom. That side, it's obviously been cut off for the intercooler, but that side's still there where it attaches to. So you'd obviously unbolt it there and unbolt it there. But as you've seen, obviously I'm running an intercooler, so I've just got like a bar that goes across. There you go. That's the issue that we got. Damn! So it's starting to leak from the front as well, or maybe it's leaking at the back, but I've been shaking it about anyway. So yeah, so next thing to do, once you've got all that business out of the way, then There's a hose clamp up here, and there's one down there as well. There's also, I think, your temp sensor there, and a connector for your fans, so you need to unconnect that, undo that, pull your pipes off, and then obviously the overfill pipe as well. Then obviously pull it, well, we'll obviously have to drain it as well. Silly. So I'll get it jacked up and get a bucket under there, and then right, it's the fault with the radiator. Here she is. Take the fan off there and put it onto the new one, which is over there. Just going to let this dry itself. This is a bolt that I had to put in because the other one had basically corroded, so I ground the captive nut off and just put a stainless steel one in and basically primed it. But this is all the rust I kind of wanted to get rid of while the car was while I was forging the engine, but I just decided to wait till the winter time now. I could take the engine back out again, and then I'll properly redo the whole engine bay, get the subframe out as well, do a proper job of it, just clean up all around. But anyway, let's get back to it. We're changing radiators here. So that's where it was leaking from in the back as well. They're the welds that haven't held. But anyway, to get your fan off, you've got two 10mm bolts there, then that basically comes off. Then I've got this sense down here to take off as well. This is your drain plug. This is maybe what you should have done, but you know, rough arse here, decided just to pull the pipe off. So we'll take these caps off as well, obviously stop stuff getting in. So just get them off and then we'll build it up. Just so you can see, put some PTFE tape in there as well, just to stop any leaks. I'll take this out as well, just PTFE tape that. I'm sure it'd have already been done. And this is a 24mm, by the way. Right, so fans on, drains, PTFE taped, and obviously got the sensor on there, so we're pretty much ready to go back onto the car and fill that lovely hole. So it's pretty much just repeating the process that we've just done, but obviously opposite way around. So sticking that back on, we'll put the two pipes in, put the bottom pipe on first, which is from here, from the water pump, then that there, and then obviously we'll put the wires in for the sensor and then for the fan over there. That's what we'll do. Move that out of the way so you can see. so you can see, well, you can't, but anyway, there's a clamp down there, so that's the bottom hose done, and then you've got your temp sensor there, you've got the wiring for the fans there, and that's your top pipe there as well. Just need to put this back on, which is your overflow. I'll get that done, put the brackets on, and then we can pretty much just build the rest of it back up. Leaves us with one thing to do, that's to fill it up with the garden hose. So I'm just going to put water in here. Sorry for the wind, it's picking up for some reason. So yeah, I'm just filling it up full of water, make sure there's no leaks, and then I'll put some coolant in. I've actually got some proper Honda coolant, so we'll put that in straight after, or maybe just run it in for a little bit and maybe then change it. I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear me, but we've got her on tick over now, so we'll just like run her up and then start bleeding her. So heaters are off inside. I filled it up as you saw with the hose pipe, so I've got water in there, and obviously what we'll do is wait for the thermostat to open, and then it'll start ticking water in, and then we'll top it up and then keep doing that. It does take a while, but I mean, it only took me, what, about 40 minutes to change the radiator. So if it's your first time, it'll probably be a little, you know, it'll take you probably about an hour and a half to 2 hours. I mean, bearing in mind, there's only a small set of tools down there, so, you know, you could easily do it. There's no, you know, it's not, you don't have to be a mad scientist or anything like that to change something like this. But, yeah, absolutely stinking. Sounds good though. So that's it, we're done, fully bled, heaters are on. So I think it took me probably about 40 minutes just to bleed it up, make sure it's done right. Probably what I'll do is when we take it to the dyno, I'll just get Will to put one of those, I don't know what they're called, basically it's like a suction kind of thing. You put water in it and it basically just makes sure that there's no air pockets within the system. Because obviously he checks that, you know, he checks you know, your radiator and all your oil, make sure there's no leaks, that type of thing. So it does pressurise it before you actually go on the dyno anyway. So with that being said, that is that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you all keeping sane and you're keeping well and you're staying away from one another, and you know, it's crazy times, a bit surreal to be fair. But anyway, next video I'll be getting onto the EG and giving that some love. So since I can't go anywhere, might as well get that stripped out and get it ready for like a track day. So when all this quarantine's over, we can get out. I'm hopefully going to book a track day and get out in that. So like I say guys, thank you very much for watching. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. Obviously if you've got anything to comment, mention it down below. Comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. And yeah, stay safe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.